Good afternoon, everyone. I am from Boston, USA Education, and today I am going to showcase our product interactive flat panel. Now it's a great panel with 4K resolution, and it works and runs on LED backlit technology. The screen is covered with 4mm toughened glass, which is anti-glare, anti-scratch, and anti-collision. It has built-in speakers and multiple input-output ports like HDMI, VGA, audio-video port, USB 2.0, 3.0. Then for networking, it has a Wi-Fi LAN hotspot, and Bluetooth means you can easily connect any device with the system wirelessly. Now it comes with a built-in Android system with 32GB storage, so you can use the built-in storage to store any type of file like PDF, PPT, Word, Excel, so any type of file can be easily accessed or saved on the system. Now the panel comes with built-in software like Whiteboard software and screen sharing software. So basically, Whiteboard software is used for creating your own presentation, your assessments, your own files. Here we have the option to select a pen. You can select the thickness of the pen, you can select the color and use a stylus, or your finger. You can interact with the screen. You can use your palm for erasing the content. We have the select option, so you can select a content or portion of the content, and then you can move anywhere on the screen. You have the option to change the background. So let's say if I want to have an English background, so that type of pattern I can select, or if I want to use some color background, so I can use the color platform. We have built-in shapes like circle, rectangle, square, so various shapes are there which we can use for creating a presentation. Then we have option to insert a picture, so here I have selected one image, so I can annotate over this image. Then I can share the file using the QR code option, or I can directly email the file using the built-in email option. Even I can save the file in two formats, PNG or PDF. Multiple pages can be added, so page number 1, page number 2, and page number 3. So these are some basic features of a Whiteboard software within Android operating system. Another software that we are providing is screen sharing software. Now using this software, you can share your mobile phone, you can share the screen of your laptop, MacBook, iOS, so any devices, all the devices are compatible with the system, and you can easily share your content with the screen. So here I'm going to share the screen of a mobile phone. With a single click, I'm able to share my mobile phone with our panel. So yeah, I can easily access my file or PDF or any file, and I can directly open on the panel. Even I can control the panel using my mobile phone, so I'll get the view of the panel on my device easily. These are some basic features that we are providing with our Boston USA interactive flat panel.